Go.
Hi viewers, I am Praveen Raju, maths teacher. Today topic is roots formula. Our roots, zeros and factors. Three are the same. Which place are using in quadratic polynomial and quadratic equations. And roots find. Okay, ma? What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula proof. Also, this method is called a computing square root method. Same as is. Take the is a quadratic polynomial quadratic equation. Write the quadratic form. What is the quadratic equation form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First case, c is transferred to left to right and ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Okay, first step. The first variable is only x square. What is the extra number? A divisible by r equation by a. Ax square by a, bx by a is equal to c by a. A will be cancelled. X square plus bx by a is equal to c by a. And both side adding on. Both side add on 1 by 2 b by a whole square is equal to b by 2a whole square. Adding on both side and x square plus bx by a plus b by 2a whole square is equal to c by a plus b by 2a whole square. What is the formula, all of you? This formula is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Formula totally is x plus y whole square. Let what is the x value is x, right? X plus what is the y value? B by 2a. B by 2a whole square is equal to this LCM c by a, b square by 4a square, 4a square LCM minus 4ac plus b square by 4a.
Start.
Okay. Next, the square will be transferred left to right. X plus b by 2a is equal to whole root. Square root transfer this side. Whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a square. 4a square. Left right. This also transfer this side. X is equal to minus b by 2a. This also whole root means plus or minus, root means plus or minus value. That means whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a whole square. Whole root. Square root cancel. Therefore LCM minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Hence fruit. Thank you.